morning, friends. What a morning we are having. We thought we said goodbye to all the snow. Now we're saying hello to it once again. So today I have a project and it's called Snowman Lace. All we're going to need for this project is a paper plate, a marker, some scissors, and a piece of string or a shoelace. I have a shoelace. So what we're going to do with our marker and our paper plate is begin to draw our snowman face. You're gonna want the eyes, the carrot nose, just for cuteness, and begin to draw the coal mouth, just like this, and then finish your way around. Once you have your face, you're going to cut out the eyes and the charcoal mouth until it looks something like this. And then once you're done, you're gonna take your string and begin to weave your shoelace through. And that is how you are going to lace your snowman. Seems perfect for the weather today. And if you guys have a chance to try it, I hope you guys have a lot of fun, and I will talk to you guys later. Bye.